Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to do an action pose. So it's another sword thrust or an object or stick thrust action pose that we're doing, but we are doing this from a different angle, and from what we understand, these are very useful in different scenarios and different applications. So we have the oval for the head right there. The main thing that is going into this is the placement of the hands, the arms. So what we have is we can concentrate on the sword. So let's say the sword or the object is coming at us. It's right here, going backward, so in a foreshortening sort of placement. And the sword could be broader here, like we could keep switching the angle around. Let's say it's coming like that. So now the hands are grasping the handle right there, going back. So that is our essential placement, and then the body can be worked around differently as well. What we're going to do is get the hands placed first. So this hand is necessary, so the body will be more crunched like toward the sword here. And what we have is this hand going right under and grasping the sword here. We have so 1, 2, 3. Thumb coming out on this end. So that is the sword handle, let's say, or let's say there is some sort of a sword separation. We are not sure what we call these things here, but so it's just the top of the handle. Let's even foreshorten this scimitar a little more. So there, more foreshortened, bigger here. And the arm, of course, going backward, and it's outstretched in that way. There's the delt. There's the head, and then of course we have the other hand that we're going to put in right there. So we have go with the knuckle like around here, actually. 1, 2, and just a little bit is visible, and that's it. Thumb is right here. And that other hand, of course, is can go backward. So it depends on the placement. So either we could have the shoulder right here and have this arm going right down and down there and meeting the elbow there, or we could have this go back right behind this guy, and there's the wrist, there's the shoulder, pec, and the remainder is right behind, and there's the bicep, there's the elbow coming together and going into the back. So there's two different options there. This one is better because it makes the hand more outstretched. So we have one hand right there, going back, it's behind, tucked in behind the person. There's the shoulder, the other shoulder, there's the shoulder in the foreground, and there's the hand grasping the handle right there. And if we were to look through the sword, of course the arm would be going like that. So two different placements right there for this front sword thrusting pose. Very helpful, and of course we can have slight variations. We could have that hand also placed in a slightly different manner, differently as in that if we want to stretch out the elbow right here, people like to do that actually, then we could have the hand grasp the handle from this angle. So the knuckles will be here and the hand will go like that. So 1, 2, 3, the fingers will be there right behind that hand. So those two different options, but I think this is better, more dynamic. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch, have yourself a wonderful day.